Good afternoon, I'm Federica D'Ambrosio. Today we are going to review the account of Marcin. Marcin joined our funded trader program last October on the 12th and he hit his first 10% target on the 13th of November. So 1 month for him to hit his first 10% target. But let's have a look at his equity line, because we can see that in the beginning, so throughout the month of October, it was actually, here we can see how on the 20th of October it was down 5% on his account. Then he steadily recovered. He went back to, by the end of October, to the initial account balance. And so from the 2nd of November, we can see how he went one way up towards his first 10% target. So we can see how actually it took for him just 10 days to reach the 10% on his account. Very well done. Let's have a look at the statistics. So we have an average daily return of 0.22%, which is good, a monthly return of 7.63%, and an overall drawdown of 5%, which was exactly here by the mid-October, what we were saying earlier. Let's have a look at the advanced statistics. And what is interesting is that Marcin only took 20 trades, so 20 position. Let's have a look at this profitability rate, 50%. So Marcin won 10 trades out of the 20 that he took. What is interesting as well is the average win and average loss, because we can see how his average win is 53 pips and his average loss is only 21 pips. So even if he has a profitability rate of 50%, since his since his risk to reward ratio is very good, he managed to hit his target very soon. Let's have a look at his best trade and his worst trade. So his best trade was on the 13th of November. He gained $893, and on the 16th of October he lost $250. Pip-wise, we can see same dates. On the 13th he gained, on the 13th of November he gained 187 pips, very good. And on the 16th of October he lost just 50 pips. Let's have a look at the summary to see where these 20 positions were made. And we can see here, majority of those, that's interesting, because he took 9 trades on the Aussie dollar, all those positions were negative for him. Overall, he lost 129 pips, losing $563. But let's have a look here. Only 2 trades on the CAD yen. He gained 198 pips and $949. And 1 trade on the Euro CAD, he gained $353. 5 position on the Euro dollars, he gained 323. Yes, just a small position on the pound dollar, he gained $18. And here another good result, just 2 position on the dollar yen, he gained $428. Very good, very well done, Marcin. So let's also have a look at his history of his account to see how he managed the lot size. Here is when he first joined on the 12th of October. In the beginning he kept his lot size quite low, 0.15. Let's have a look at the second page. Then he started to go almost straight away, full lots available for him, 0.5 we can see here. And yes, on the 17th of November is when he hit the target, when we actually withdraw the profits for him, and is now trading at the moment. Let's have a look at the duration of his positions. Okay, so on average we can see his average trade length is 1 day. From the scatter plot we can see majority, well, we are talking about 20 trades here, so when I say the majority, it's a bit different from other cases that we have analyzed so far. but still we can see, yes, the majority of his position were held for 1 day, and few more others were held longer, at the most for 4 days, and it was a very profitable position for him. We can see also in Marcin case the tendency to cut his losing trades short. We can see that clearly from the scatter plot, how the majority of the position held longer were positive trades. Okay, Marcin, very well done, and also for you, we look forward to do the second review of your account.